You did crazy, oh, you ain't on a payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same show. So please be quiet, I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on a payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same show. So please be quiet, I'm being polite.
Hey yo, T-Beats, you killed this one, no cap.
Ice cubes up in my car. If it's spice, one pour it out.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John here. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today what I'm going to be speaking about is what we believe gold might be able to do for us in the weeks coming or the days coming. It just depends. I'm also going to be going over silver as well. I'm going to be checking it from a daily perspective and a weekly time frame perspective. So I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. And don't forget, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because you need to know what you're going to have to say to enter the competition. Let's head straight over to the charts. So as you can see right now, I am on gold USD. This is XAU USD. I am right now looking at a markup I did give out to the general group in my Discord. The link for that is in the YouTube description below. This is what I gave them on Thursday, I believe, and I also gave them an update of this on Friday over here. So I'm just going to be speaking about what I was explaining there and going over it in more detail. So as we can see here right now, gold has started to form an uptrend, it seems, because on a daily time perspective we can see that there was a lower low here. We won't call this the lowest low, even though it is because of the wick. There was a lower low here and now there is a lower high forming. So because this is forming a lower high now, we can see on a daily time frame perspective that this is starting to form an uptrend. So what I do believe is going to happen now is this was a strong level of resistance. I did call out a few times in my group to say that, you know, you got to be careful of what gold could be doing here. I did explain it to the VIPs as well. So we can see that the market's hit this level once, it's hit this level twice, and it's hit this level 3 times. Now, of course, it would be beautiful for it to hit this level a 4th time and just to sell. But you know, things are never that easy in Forex, not all the time anyway. It's not that it can't. So realistically, what I'm expecting gold to do is I'm expecting gold to go up to this level, play about for a bit at this level, and then break through this level to go to this level here or this level above up here. Now, of course, it can just sell off this level, and this is why I've put 3 possible projections of what gold could do. So you can see I've set my alerts on these lines right here. So I've set an alert here on trading view, I've set another alert here and another alert here. So I'm just looking at these 3 positions here and I'll be able to get in my trades on these positions as soon as I see how price is behaving around these areas. So we're just going to wait to see what happens. My overall bias on gold right now is that gold should be selling because we're expecting gold to go down to this level here. The bearish liquidity down in this zone, this is very huge. This liquidity is at least 500 to 1,000 pips. So usually gold loves to go and cover a liquidity zone because it doesn't like to leave it behind. It's not only a daily time frame liquidity. If we go over to the weekly chart, you can see right here that this liquidity on the weekly time frame is actually very, very big, and gold has left some more liquidity here now and some more liquidity here. Liquidity is the wicks left behind. So there's a good chance that gold is going to get to a point of resistance somewhere and then it's going to sell. Once it does sell, then we're looking at a target zone of this level here, which is 1668. So once again, I'm looking at my entries here, here, or up here, and I will be updating the Discord group on what I see when it's getting to these levels. So if you like to know what's going on, make sure you get yourself into the Discord so you can figure out and work with me to see what's going to happen with gold. Again, I'm not going to be giving updates every 30 minutes, every 1 hour. Please do not ask me every 30 minutes what is gold doing. Let's just wait for it to at least get to a level and then we can have a discussion about it. So now we are on silver on the daily time frame. We can see the same type of thing happened here with silver. There was a liquidity. This is what I'm talking about, why you can believe that a pair might sell towards that area. Look at the liquidity here, look how price went up, and then look what happened after there was a sell to go and cover this liquidity area, and any pending orders that was down here, it made sure it gave one last spike again, because most people would have had either their pending orders here or their stop losses here around this area, and price had to make sure it wanted to clear and get everybody out of the market before doing this buy going up to here. So we can see something similar happening on this time frame. We can see that silver is starting to buy up again and creating a lower low and then a lower high. So we're expecting price to go up to this level, but just like gold, it might just break through this level. So I'm looking at a target level of around here or up here. So this is where I will be looking, and you'll see right now I'm going to set my alerts. First, I'm going to go down to the 1 hour time frame, just so that my alerts don't go off on a daily time frame when I set them. So I'm going to set my alert right here. I'm going to go to add a new alert, and then all I'm going to do is once per bar close and cross in and just notify me. That's all it has to do. I'm going to do another one up here, add an alert, and then it's going to be once per bar close and then notify me. So once that 1 hour bar closes, it's going to do that. And is there any other ones? Nope. So that's the two there. So that's all I have to do. So it's going to notify me when silver gets to those levels, and I'm going to be able to know what position of a trade I'm looking at. Again, these are all the levels marked up on what I believe silver can go towards for now. So if I see silver go up towards here, then I'm going to be looking for definitely a good sell. If I see it going up to here, then I'm like, it might buy up a little bit more. So I will put less of a position of leverage onto this trade and look for my sell. So we can see right now we're expecting price to continue to buy, and then we're looking for a sell. If we go over to the weekly time frame, this is again why I'm saying that we're expecting price to possibly sell. So we can see there's liquidity here, but as we go further down, we can see there's liquidity, the market left down here and here. So it's not as big as gold, but it does have a reason for it to be able to get to a level and sell again. If not, and it does want to continue, then we do have a huge liquidity spike over here, which the market hasn't brought up towards and covered yet. We just have to see how it plays out. But for now, I'm going to be looking at price to get to one of these levels here or here, and then a sell. It's very simple. It's not going to be too complex. I know people like to trade gold and silver more than currency pairs. So I thought, you know what, let me try and give out a technical analysis on these, see how people react to it, see if people like this or prefer this. If they prefer this one, then I'll stick to these and give this away on YouTube. If not, then I'll go back to my major pairs and give that away. So for those who did stay to the end of the video, you guys are absolute legends. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for believing in me, and thank you for watching my videos to the end. And on that note, if you'd like to get into the Neo indicator competition, I would like for you to please message down below a nice positive message and just say Neo competition. If you just say Neo competition, those people are going to be randomly drawn. That's 2 lucky winners, and they're going to have access to Neo the indicator for 1 month. So please don't forget that. That's Neo competition. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.